Hi guys, this is Nick with Ejuicemonkeys.com. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on the CE4+V2, General Maintenance and Cleaning. Now to start, let's take the tip off. Just take all the base in the outer tube here and untwist the tip. Now I'll tell you to put down a paper towel on your work surface or some kind of towel. You don't want to get juice on your work surface. Now you'll see that there's juice left in the bottom here. Best way to get that out is to take a blunt tip syringe, insert it into the base, and pull the plunger back. Set that aside. We can use that later to refill once we're through. Now to take the outer tube off, all you do is grab the base and the tube and unscrew. Now you notice there's a little bit of juice left all over this. To take care of that, just pat it down with a rag and you're ready to unscrew the wick system. Now this is what you would replace if you've used it for about a week or so, is the wick system. Set that aside. Now if you look down the very center here, you'll see there's another cylinder that runs down the middle. Now I need to take that out and clean that in there. Just take a screwdriver, insert it into the middle, and the cylinder should pop out the other side. Go ahead and finish pulling it the rest of the way out. Now if you look down the center here, you'll see that a little bit of juice did get dripped in there. Over time, that could hinder your vaping experience. So I usually take it out once a week and just clean it with a Q-tip. There we go. Once you're through, you take your inner cylinder and push it back in just the way you got it out. Now to make sure it's seated correctly, take a screwdriver and push down firmly. You don't have to twist or anything like that, just press. So now it's time for the wick. On the wick system, you've got your rubber cap here. If you do come across a slight burnt taste when you're using it, I suggest trimming the rubber cap. I wouldn't take much off of it, just a small sliver. So once you've got your rubber cap replaced, if you do that, you screw your wick right back on. Now it's time to put the outer tube back on. Just screw it back on as well. Now at this point, I've seen a few that the inner tube leans on. What it is the outer tube's coming unseated at one of the corners here. To fix that, you just put it on a hard surface and press down. That'll straighten everything up. That's usually caused by bumping or dropping it. Now it's time to refill it with liquid. And there's two ways to do this. You can use your blunt tip syringe, put it down the side, and put your juice in. I like to do it straight from the bottle. Just unscrew your cap, hold it at a slight angle, and drip your juice in. Okay. Now all you have to do is replace the drip tip, and you are ready to vape. Thank you very much for this, guys, and we'll see you next time.